Hi, this is Shamin here. I'm from Educator Shamin YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter I have. So you can follow me there. And in my description box, I'll give you a link. You go to my website. There is a worksheet you can practice. Alright, so let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to teach you biology, that is abscisic acid and stomatal closure. So what is abscisic acid? What do you mean by abscisic acid? So abscisic acid, that is a plant hormone. What's that? Plant hormone, and that's the synthesized by any cells in a plant that contain chloroplast. So that is a abscisic acid is a plant hormone. So where we can be found abscisic acid? Definitely plant, right? Wide variety of plants as well as flowering plants and in every part of the plant. And high temperature, it responds by secreting abscisic acid whenever temperature is high. And high concentration of abscisic acid, that is the stimulates the stomata to close. So why? What's the reason? So reason that is the water vapor from the leaf. That is the reducing the loss of water vapor from the leaf. That is the reason. That's why they are close. We are not doing anything because there is a water problem. So they respond. That is the hormone work. It's interesting. So what is stomata? So stomata is a hole inside the plant leaf. So that is a pore in the epidermis of a leaf, and that is the bounded by guard cell. This is a true guard cell is bounded by guard cells and needed for a efficient gas exchange. So gas exchange, that is the plants doing this. That is all the time open and close and open and close. That is the rhythm. That is our lungs working like this. They are take oxygen, no, they take carbon dioxide and give off oxygen. That is the opposite human gas exchange system, you must remember that. And photosynthesis, so photosynthesis, that is the process of plants making food. So abscisic acid, an inhibitory plant growth regulator that causes closure of stomata in dry condition, that is the stressful condition, no water there. Stomata play an important role in gaseous exchange and photosynthesis. So that means that take carbon dioxide and give off oxygen, and it's the hole between the guard cell. So this is a guard cell, guys. This is one guard cell. This is another guard cell. All right. So it's like this. And opening during the daytime, maintain the inwards diffusion. That is the diffusion here, abscisic acid, and that is the hydrogen ion. So it's a stomata. This is the light intensity whenever temperature is high. So that is the reason abscisic acid working like this. And that is the closure of abscess. The closure of stomata at night when photosynthesis is can't occur. That is the reason, because nighttime not light enough. Why photosynthesis can't occur during nighttime? Reason that is the reason. What's the reason that reduce the rates of transpiration and that is the conserve water. That is the reason. So how stomata respond to change in environmental condition? What do you think? How stomata respond to changing the environmental condition? Maybe a temperature high, so light intensity increasing. That is one reason. Number two, that is the low carbon dioxide concentration. That is another, low carbon dioxide concentration in the airspace within the leaf, and darkness. Nighttime, definitely darkness. And low humidity, high temperature, stress, water, so when stomata close, what do you think? That is the potassium ion leave the guard cell and enter neighboring cells, and that is the condition of water stress. The hormone abscisic acid, that is the hormone, my marker is not working. So abscisic acid is produced in plants. So guys, I hope that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another new video, and keep watching and keep practicing. Go to my website, download the worksheet and write down, draw a diagram, practice it. That way it can improve, and that way you can improve your biology. So guys, I hope that's all for today, and good luck your biology test. Thank you so much for watching my video.